Just stopped to stretch my legs, just ridden up from Tunbridge Wells, Kent. It's only taken me a couple of hours. Thought I'd have a leg stretch and a look round. I'm a bit concerned coming to the Peak District because it's so ring-fenced with such big population from Sheffield, Leeds, Manchester, etc. I was worried that the roads are going to be far too busy to enjoy the countryside. But I'm going to give it a go and see what I find. I've never been up here before. Explore it with me, see what you think, and then at the end we'll know whether the Peak District is worth riding up to or not. I'm really looking forward to camping up here. I think the countryside will be beautiful. It's perfect weather. Couldn't have chosen a better time. Got the green light from the wife. Please follow my travels. Tomorrow I'll be going round the Cat and Fiddle, Snake Pass and any interesting places I can find on the way. Well, this is the way into Matlock, Bath. Be interesting to discover all these different places. On the right is Richard Arkwright's Cotton Mill, which is a working textile museum, shopping village and restaurant now. I stopped here and had a cup of tea and had a wander around. Love the place. I can see why so many bikers stop here and enjoy the beautiful surroundings and the river. There's lots of places to have fish and chips and eat. I think this is a good all-round stop for all the bikers. Beautiful old bridge. Had to walk over it just because it was there. It crosses the river to a little path that they call Lovers Walk. I expect what they got up to is illegal now. You can see why there's so many fish and chip shops with this many bikers. The place is rammed, but it is a nice sunny day after all. Well, Matlock, Bath was definitely worth visiting, and I think I did the right thing by coming here on the way up to my campsite. I shall look forward to what I see next. Time to move on. Now at the end of Matlock, Bath, there's Abraham Heights. It's a viewing point, and if you look, there's a cable car goes right up to the top, which probably gives fantastic views of the whole area. Now I travel on through the countryside to my campsite. To camp out in this beautiful countryside will not be a hardship. I'm looking forward to it. I just had to stop to look at these beautiful meadows. It's lovely countryside up here, and it's teeming with insects. I hope I don't get too many in my tent, but it's such a beautiful area. I keep stopping and having a look round. I've had a really lazy day. It's a nice way to spend all of your time, I can assure you. Well, I'm really looking forward to a drink and something to eat. It's been a few hours since I've had anything, so just right, perfect stop. Just had some food at the Onderman's, really nice, recommend it, quick service. They've got the staff to be able to deal with all the bikers coming in. A lot of the cats around my way could learn from them. I'm only about a mile now from my campsite. It doesn't look like it's going to be in bad surroundings, does it? Looking forward to getting the tent up. I think before I do that I'm going to put my shorts on. And I'm not kidding either. It's getting hotter and hotter as we get on. I'm up here, I've looked round. It's not even 1 o'clock. I intend to get the tent up, sorted out, and then go and get some provisions. Beer, absolutely. Just what you need on a nice warm day. Oh man, this place looks like it's designed for me. Now if my campsite is set in this sort of countryside, I think that's heaven, don't you? Absolute heaven. Since I've got more off the beaten track, haven't seen too many cars, which is nice. Keep slowing down for a look. Well, this is the views I've got from the campsite. Not too sad, is it? They've got some shepherd huts. That one over there has got shower and everything built in it. Very, very nice. Just a small little site, very private, perfect. I'm up over the top there. Well, I've pitched up in a lovely little cool spot out the sun. I'm glad that the sun's turned round now and I got a bit of respite from it. But this is the view I got. Beautiful. This will suit me for 4 days. Got nice and set up in here now. I don't know how people cope with dear little tents where they got no room at all. I've got a lovely lot of room in there and a lovely lot of room in here. Best way to do it. Coyote 3. Definitely worth purchasing. Please join me in part 2 where I visit Snake Pass, the Cat and Fiddle, and generally ride round all the interesting bits. I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. Now I'm all set up. Thank you for watching. See you in part 2.